Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix Minecraft Exit Code 1, so let's get started. First, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run window. Type in %appdata % and click OK. This opens File Explorer. Next, go into the .minecraft folder, then open the mods folder. Make sure it is empty. Outdated mods often cause this error. Delete all mods from the folder and try running Minecraft again. If that doesn't work, go back and delete the entire .minecraft folder. Don't worry, when you launch Minecraft again, it will automatically re-download everything. However, deleting this folder will remove your texture packs and saved worlds. Right-click the folder, select Show More Options, then click Delete. Once it is removed, open the Minecraft launcher and check if the problem is solved. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.